Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can loop a video on YouTube. And to do that, you are just going to right click on the video. And as you can see, there is a loop button and you're just going to press that. And what that means is, for instance, you're like listening to a song on YouTube and you just want to repeat it again without the hassle of having to go back. As you can see, if I go to the end right here and press play and wait for it to end, it'll loop back to the start of the video and it's going to just loop your video on YouTube, I guess. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!